I'm First Alert meteorologist Jeff Ray. We had football during the early show, so we're recording this for you for the web. We'll be on 10 o'clock on live television on CBS News Texas to bring you the updates on news, weather, and sports. This is time lapse from this morning. It was a cold start this morning. Temperatures got down to the mid-30s across the Metroplex with a strong wind, making it feel like the mid-20s. And that's how we ended the four-day holiday with a nice look to the west, the sun setting. Now, 52 was the high today, so that broke that string of rather pleasant days we had for the holiday. It was just a cold, windy day today, and that rain, of course, last night. This is where the freezing line was this morning. This was a little bit of surprise. Those clouds cleared out rather quickly, and that's why we got much colder than we thought we were going to get. Most of all these areas have already had a freeze this season. It was the start of the month, believe it or not. We went almost to the end of the month. We'll get another one. Well, we're going to have a big one tomorrow morning. The freeze will be just about everywhere. Maybe Navarro County will be spared, but temperatures in the hard freeze category are as close as Denton. So definitely the end of the growing season for us. But, you know, on the average date, it's November 22nd, so we missed it by like 4 days. We had a 4-day longer growing season, I should say, going into the winter. There's satellite radar review. You can see some of that cloud cover. If you are still traveling here into the evening hours, the snow has left Chicago but moving in Detroit, and the rain is engulfed Philadelphia and New York. The 95 corridor is going to be just full of rain, and so will Boston eventually, but the rain is leaving Washington. You know, these wind gusts today got close to 40, but they were over 35 miles per hour. The strongest winds were in the morning hours. It will not be that windy tomorrow morning, but still put on those winter coats. A freezing start, temperatures only in the 50s. We're going to be in the upper 50s on Tuesday with plenty of sunshine, and it gets better from here. We're going to be in the 60s on Wednesday. So again, pleasant enough fall weather for us. But we have the next rain chance showing up at the very last day of the month. Keep in mind, so far this month, we've had less than a ½ inch of rain. And ironically, on the very last day, one of our better shots of rain. This is the 35 corridor. It looks like most of this rain will be on this side of the 35 corridor, but include the Metroplex. It looks like a few thunderstorms are in the mix. Right now, we're not fearing severe weather. We'll keep you posted on. The First Alert weather team is already monitoring this for a possible weather alert day because it looks like a pretty big rain Thursday afternoon and evening. It'll be gone by Friday morning. This is the rainfall total estimates for the next 7 days. This is, again, all the rain that will fall on Thursday is really what's in this forecast. You see from Paris to Corsicana, maybe as much as an inch, inch and a half of rain. Now, the next 10 days, we have mild conditions and no freezes after the one we're expecting tomorrow morning. The 7-day forecast shows we'll be in the mid-30s on Tuesday, and then look at those overnight lows. I mean, by Thursday, we'll have a low that's warmer than our high tomorrow, but we will have rain chances around Thursday and then again going into next weekend. We'll see you at 10 o'clock.